Hi, my name is Elena and welcome back to my garden. I'm renewing my garden videos because it's finally warm now and I can film something that's going on because the progress started moving forward. And first I wanted to explain why I'm wearing this dress in the garden. This is a traditional Ukrainian dress called Vishyvanka, and today is Vishyvanka Day. On this day, every year, every third Thursday of May, we celebrate this day as Vishyvanka Day. And on this day, Ukrainians and people worldwide salute the ethnic embroidered Ukrainian clothes, Vishyvanka. The holiday aims at popularizing ethnic embroidered clothing and honoring Ukrainian traditions. To join the celebration, you just wear Vishyvanka wherever you go. And traditionally, this dress was worn by women and it had always a sacred meaning. It will always protect you from some evil things and bad stuff happening to you. And it's just a beautiful thing to wear, I think. So yeah, I've got the information from Wear Ukrainian Info. Yeah, so what has been going on in the garden all this time while I was not filming? We were actually in this pause stage when we were just waiting for some plans to go through because we have quite big plans this year for the garden. First biggest one, I think it's the studio, which is going on right now behind me, and this is Sam's art studio that we're building. The process has been going on for forever. I think we've been applying planning permissions and creating all the sketches with architects and then all the constructional sketches and everything, and now it's finally happening. So I can show you what's going on, and because of that, half of the garden is just cut off right now and I can't work there. And later this year, maybe in a few months, we will start working on another construction in the garden, which will be my tea house. Don't remember if I've been talking about it a lot already, but I'm very, very excited about it. We changed the appearance of it, and I will show you right now, I think. And it's gonna be like a teardrop almost shape, and it's gonna be a glass building. And I think at this moment, the biggest part that I like about the tea house that the glass is going to be made by a Ukrainian company. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. And so because we are doing lots of stuff in the garden, and now with the tea house happening very soon, they're going to cut off another part of the garden when it's going to be happening, and we're going to be putting a bridge across the pond. I don't have that much space around those two buildings to work with. So I decided just to leave the garden at the moment and leave all the big planting for later this year. And now I'm focusing on the area around the house because, as you might have noticed, I'm a little bit pregnant, a little bit over my due date. But the last thing I want to do is just sit and wait for the baby to come. So I'm keeping myself occupied, and me and my great team of gardeners built a great veggie garden right near the house, so I can plant some vegetables, fruits, herbs, all the stuff that I use in cooking, and yeah, just go and pick it up from the patio. And soon our furniture will arrive, like a little settee to sit in there, so when the baby's here I can go there and chill on a settee, pick up some strawberries and just enjoy it. Yeah, so that's what's been going on. Let me know if you have any questions. In the next video I will be showing you how we planted those veggie patches, because at the moment it's just bare veggie beds. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the garden center tomorrow if I'm not gonna give birth, and gonna pick up some stuff to grow. Stay tuned. Hope you like this video, and thank you so much for sticking with me and watching my videos, and I hope you are having a lovely day.